Scheduled for court this morning, the long process through the judicial system is set to begin for the Maricopa County Assessor Paul Petersen. He's accused of illegally arranging for pregnant women from the Marshall Islands to come to the U.S. to have their babies and then put those kids up for adoption. John Genovese is live downtown. And John, the county is now looking into whether he may have used public money to help fund this alleged scheme.
Yeah, Nick, that was a central topic last night at the County Board of Supervisors meeting. The county auditor is now looking into whether Petersen used any resources in his elected capacity to benefit his alleged scheme. Now, his arraignment is set for 8:30 this morning here at Maricopa County Superior Court. He is not expected to be in the courtroom and said it will likely just be his attorney. Now, this is more of a procedural step where the judge will formally announce the charges against him. Keep in mind, this is just in Arizona for those charges of conspiracy, forgery, and fraudulent schemes. Petersen is also facing felony counts in Utah and Arkansas, and on Friday he was transferred into federal custody. The charges there range and include human smuggling. Now, legal analyst Monica Lindstrom with our news partners at KTAR says it's doubtful he'll be out from behind bars for the foreseeable future.
I find it highly unlikely that Petersen's going to be able to get out anytime soon because not only does he have a bond here in Arizona, but he'll also have one in the federal court as well. And to be able to come up with that much money for both is kind of hard to do.
Yeah, and a judge setting his bond here in the state at $500,000. Now, 2 weeks from today, he'll be arraigned on those federal charges in Arkansas. So, Nick, certainly a lot that we'll be staying on top of as this case develops.
Yeah, John, really just so much to unpack here. We know investigators certainly have their work cut out for them. John Genovese live for us this morning. It's a nonprofit in Arkansas is now caring for and housing 19 pregnant Marshallese moms caught in the middle of this alleged scheme. Now, the adoption agency says when news of Petersen's arrest broke, their team started tracking down the pregnant women involved throughout the country. They've been providing them with the pre- and postnatal care that they need and advising them of their legal rights. It's a process with a very short timeline.
We have about 10 moms due within the next 8 weeks.
Well, yeah, the group also says that they're teaming up with other organizations in Arizona and Utah to track down more expecting moms that really were just left in limbo.